Hello, I'm Roy Winters and I'm the co-founder and chairman of Safer Space Accreditation. I would like to take a minute of your time just to explain why the Safer Space Accreditation was developed and what it might mean to us as individuals and as a society. Let me take you back to 2018, a time when the news was full of stories about antimicrobial resistance growing and the failings of antibiotics not being in a position to help us stay well and no new ones being developed. In a lecture at the Royal Institute, Professor Dame Sally Davies, England's former Chief Medical Officer, suggested that antimicrobial resistance could kill humanity before climate change does. This was quickly followed by a comment from the former UK Prime Minister, David Cameron, who said, "If we fail to act, we are looking at an almost unthinkable scenario where antibiotics no longer work and we are cast back into the dark ages of medicine." Within the cleaning industry, we recognise two things. People still judge whether a space is clean by eyeball, and sadly, believe clean meant safe. It does not. As COVID-19 has recently and profoundly emphasised to us all, to take a surface from clean to sanitised and therefore safe, you would need to follow a strict process and use solutions which were invisible to the naked eye. It became apparent quite quickly that if people cannot see it, it has no perceived value. So, recognising that the marketplace had no one promoting these processes, the Safer Space Accreditation was born. We set to work on creating a series of processes, training and technology that are proven to create healthier environments and break the cycle of infection. If followed, you will be rewarded with an accreditation mark. In these times, we all need reassurance that the environments our stakeholders, clients, team members and visitors are using, whether it be an office, retail store, care environment, in fact, any physical location, have the most rigorous of processes in place, all of which can be achieved by the Safer Space Accreditation, proving that the space owner really does care about your well-being. I will leave with a quote from Professor Dame Sally Davies. "We have reached a critical point and must act now on a global scale to slow down antimicrobial resistance. So let's work together and save society, one space at a time."